What's up guys and welcome to Techbooze. Today we have something special in the studio with us today. So this is the Cooler Master Ck350. I reviewed the Ck550 a while ago and I actually loved the keyboard. So thanks a lot to Cooler Master India for sending out the Ck350 to our studio. So without further ado, let's unbox it and see what's inside the box and let you know how it feels like. So one thing that I like about this keyboard is that the box is open. I mean, Cooler Master did put some effort to it. So while you are in store trying out the keyboard, you don't actually need to cut open the keyboard box in order to check it out. So it does actually have a cutout, so you could just type on it and feel how the keyboard actually feels like. One good thing is that the Cooler Master Ck350 uses KKOM1 key switches, which is actually exact same copy of Cherry MX Blue. So you do get the tactile bump and exact feel of the Cherry MX Blue, though it is way cheaper than the Cherry MX Blue. So right after unboxing, you do get to see that it has a plastic cover to protect the keys of the keyboard, so the keys won't get damaged during reckless handling. So like the Ck550, you do get a key puller that comes in the box with it. It also does actually have a key puller, and that is one of the reasons that I love Cooler Master for, because other manufacturers don't actually include a keycap puller that comes within the keyboard box, but Cooler Master does it with every box. So gotta give points for that to Cooler Master. So inside you do get a product manual that says how to change this and how to change that, and everything is actually packed right onto it. So it is incredibly detailed and you don't need to search online how to change this one and how to change that. So the USB cable is pretty thick compared to other alternatives, and the USB jack is actually purple, so it does carry the legendary Cooler Master purple accent to it, and also does have a Cooler Master logo on it. So guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you don't want to miss out the Cooler Master Ck350 review. Till then, peace out, see you in the next video.